In this demo, we look at how you can utilize sfops in a GitHub repository. This particular repository is a simple DX scale project which has two packages, uh, frameworks, and an unpackaged. We'll just create a simple pull request to enable this demonstration. So I'm going to use the default editor just for the ease of use. For this particular demo, I'm just going to change a comment. Um, so that, you could do much more activities with it, but for the sake of this demo, we'll just do this. It's going to create a feature branch here. And at the same time, I'm just going to create a feature branch. Here I have just staged and committed and pushed it. Now we will just go ahead and create a pull request. So basis mean, I'll just add a description, update comment to test. Oops. And there you go. So create a pull request. And the pull request is ongoing. So as you can see here, there are plenty of checks. Let's go and open up. So the moment the pull request gets created, you could see the sfops port that is installed in this repository is good to get triggered, and it's already providing me a set of options. So I could type in sfops steps test to deploy this pull request to the PR environment, or force test to unlock and renew. And you could see at the same time the pull request is getting validated on a review sandbox. So every change that is being raised against this repository is on a pull request is provided a dedicated sandbox where the changes are validated. We call this feature the review sandbox. It could be also be substituted with a scratch org. And in a short span of time, you would see the results of your review coming up here. We could also go into the logs and basically see what's happening there. While that is happening, let's let's see what are those benefits of using sfops test here. So I'll go and type command. Once the issue has been recognized by the bot, you would see there is a reaction from the bot onto this particular command. And as you could see right now, because it's using the underlying GitHub's branch deploy action model, which is an open source project and it's been tuned for Salesforce using sfops. You could see here the bot has come back and said, hey, you don't have a review, and therefore it doesn't push that into the test environments yet. So we will have to wait till the validation is successful and somebody reviews it up. While that is underway, we could try another command. which is basically where, as you could see in the instruction, deploy this pull request to test environments without considering any bugs. In this case, we are basically requesting the bot to force push uh, the changes in the pull request onto your test environments. Just give it a bit of time and then you could see that in action. As you can see, once SFS bot has recognized the force test command, you could see here there is a instruction from the bot that this particular issue is being pushed into the test environments, and you also have a warning that this could potentially override, because here in this particular instance, test environments are shared instances, and you are directly pushing a pull request without any reviews of, without proper testing into the test environments in the force push way. So that's what's happening here. And you could also see here the environments. It's being activated. You could click on it. You could see all your deployments that's happening, from which branch it is, and what is the action that is empowering it. As you can see, when the validation is successfully run or failed, you would definitely see a comment coming from the board, very similar to this, which will has a validation summary, the org ID, the username, and you can click here to log into the org and basically look at what's happening. It will also display what are the packages that got validated and why the particular validation didn't work.